Hi, I'm Madhuri Jha, and I'm a psychotherapist and clinical advisor at PsychHub. If you're anything like my clients, you probably struggle to give yourself space to slow down and reset. That's exactly why we created this playlist called Permission to Rest. I know firsthand that music has a unique ability to signal to your nervous system that it's safe to relax. Slow tempos, gentle tones, and guided affirmations can work alongside mindfulness exercises, breathing practices, or even your evening meditation routine to create a restorative mental space. Rest isn't just about feeling better for a few minutes. It's part of sustaining mental health over the long term. This playlist is your invitation to slow down, let go of the day's stress, and really listen to your body and mind. Even a short pause can make a difference, and it's a perfect complement to PsychHub's professional support available on our platform. If taking a few minutes to reset feels good, imagine how therapy could help make rest and recovery a part of your everyday life. Visit psychhub.com to take the free well-being assessment and connect with your mental health ally today.